Hi, this is Jerome in Boise. If you are looking for more income, if you are looking for retired income, you're at the right place at the right time, because I'm a huge believer as a small business coach, as somebody who's built several $1 million businesses and sold them. And now I'm semi-retired. I get to work from home. I am this believer that we all need some kind of business that belongs to us, especially in today's world with inflation, with the price of everything right now. It's just so important for all of us to have an extra business. So I am a big believer. This is what I teach in, is some kind of business that has the 3 R's. Number one, it has to be remote. Number two, it's got to be recurring. And number three, it's got to be reliable. So here's the question you need to ask yourself right now. And that is, what do Google Docs, Amazon Kindle, Audible, Apple, Adobe, what do they all have in common? Digital products. Billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars. And that's the business that I have here for you. I'm in there and you can be in there. It's very modest cost to get it started. So click the link down below, betheboss.me. Take a look at this business. You can get started literally today. And if you want to connect with me and get more information or take a little tour of the business in the back office, we can certainly set that time up. So hope you are great today. You're doing the right thing, looking for a business, looking for more income. I'll see you on the inside.